We are happy to be back with another informative unit. If you want to add more to your knowledge of power system, this is what you want to follow. Before starting with our Unit 2, please make sure that you have watched and completed the first unit. That way, you will be very much comfortable with the content of Unit 2. Gas power plant. The generating plant in which gas turbine is used as prime mover for generation of electrical energy is called gas power plant. In a gas power plant, air is used as working fuel. Working principle of gas power plant. As you can see from the diagram, the energy conversion principle is shown here. First, the heat is produced in a combustion chamber and then it is fed to the gas turbine. In a gas turbine, the heat energy is utilized and then it's converted into mechanical energy. The mechanical energy from the gas turbine is fed to the alternator. As usually, alternator is coupled to the gas turbine. In an alternator, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, and then through some necessary arrangement, the electrical energy produced at the gas power plant is fed to the consumers. Advantages and disadvantages of gas power plant. First, the advantages of gas power plant. The gas power plant is simple in design as compared to the steam power plant. They are small in size as there is not so much use of equipments. The initial cost for the gas power plant is less. Operating cost of gas power plant is less. There is less requirement of water availability, so there is no need for the condenser. The maintenance charges are less for gas power plant. Disadvantages of gas power plant. The high temperature of chamber reduces the life of equipment used in a gas power plant. The overall efficiency is small, and that is due to the heat lost in different equipments of a gas power plant. The overall efficiency is said to be about 20%. The net output is small. And there is the starting problem for the gas power plant. Schematic arrangement of a gas power plant. As we can see in the schematic diagrams, there is need of some necessary equipment for the generation of electrical energy by utilizing the heat energy. As we have said in the working principle, air is used as working fuel. First, the air is compressed by the means of compressor. The compressed air is led to the combustion chamber. The addition of heat is done to the compressed air in order to increase its temperature, and that is done by burning of fuel or air heater. The fuel which is compressed and heated is fed to the gas turbine and is converted into mechanical energy. Using alternator, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. In the schematic diagrams, now we are going to talk about the compressor and what is the use of compressor. Usually, compressor is used to compress the atmospheric air at high pressure. In a gas power plant, usually a rotary type of compressor is used. When the air is compressed in a compressor, then it's fed to the regenerator. The device that is used to convert heat from exhaust gas of turbine is called a regenerator. A regenerator is compressed of nest of tube. Air compressed is passed through the tubes and is fed to the combustion chamber. When the air is compressed and is fed to the combustion chamber, in combustion chamber, heat is added to air by burning of oil or air heater. The oil has to be injected at some pressure in order to increase atomization and its mixing with air to reach a certain value of temperature, say 3000 Fahrenheit. After the temperature is increased, then the gas temperature has to be reduced almost half of the temperature set. From combustion chamber, the heat is fed to the gas turbine. In a gas turbine, the heat energy is utilized and is converted into mechanical energy. The mechanical energy from the gas turbine is fed to the alternator. Alternator will convert the mechanical energy produced by gas turbine into electrical energy. After the electrical energy is produced, then is fed to the consumers through some necessary arrangements, say transformer, circuit breaker, and isolators. Starting motor. For generation of electrical energy through a gas power plant, first, the fuel is to be supplied, and that is done by compressing the air. And in order to do that, compressor is to be started, so we need a starting motor. This motor is just needed for starting purpose of gas power plant. After the gas power plant is being started, then the starting motor is taken out of the equation. Then the gas power plant is run by energy produced by the gas power plant itself.